Focus back home to the national capital, where the political temperature is only rising right ahead of the Delhi elections. Now, what we are learning is that top Congress sources have told CNN News 18 that Rahul Gandhi has told the Delhi unit of the party to step up the campaign in the final leg. A major expose is what top Congress sources are telling CNN News 18 is expected by Congress leader Ajay Makan. Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi are set to step up the campaigns with a focus on Muslim votes and Dalits in the national capital. Rahul Gandhi has also told party workers that if Congress weakens in the states, it will weaken its fight against the BJP. Rahul Gandhi has sent the message to the Congress workers that only the Congress is capable of taking on the BJP at the national level. So it seems the Congress party, mincing no words, it's in it to win it when it comes to the Delhi elections, and Rahul Gandhi sending that message to Congress workers in the national capital. I'm joined by my colleague Pallavi Ghosh on the broadcast. So Pallavi, while initially there was the push to achieve some level of semblance when it comes to the India alliance, but winning is winning at the end of the day in the Delhi elections, and the Congress top brass sending that message to the cadre.
Yes, absolutely, Ayushman. It was not an easy choice for the Congress, and this whole idea of coalition dharma and the fact that it was being increasingly isolated in the bloc, which perhaps forced the Congress party to not put up a fight. But it did work out, when there was pressure coming in from the party cadre, leaders like Ajay Makan made the point that, Kejriwal is relentlessly attacking you. So what we pick up is that Rahul Gandhi told his party cadre that I agree with you, coalition dharma is important, but we are the only ones who are actually capable of taking on the BJP at a pan-India level. For that, we have to be strong. As the way we look at it today, state after state like UP, Bengal, the Congress is completely wiped out.
Right. Thank you, Pallavi, for joining us on the broadcast with that piece of breaking news. So the Congress party going ahead with its game plan to take on the Aam Aadmi Party, its ally in the Lok Sabha elections, taking Arvind Kejriwal's party on aggressively when it comes to the Delhi elections. The Congress party in it to win it when it comes to the Delhi fight. Because remember, it was the collapse of the Congress vote which led to the rise of the Aam Aadmi Party, and the Congress party now aiming to make gains in the Delhi election field.